Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring. So if you're new to this, we're doing another edition of What's in the Box. Basically, we get samples all the time. We thought it might be fun if I opened them on the spot and talked about them. That way you can also see what's new and what's coming in. And when you're ready to buy new flooring, carpet, or wood, or whatever it may be, you will see something in one of these videos and go, I want to have that. So, plus it's kind of fun to put me on the spot. See if I can fumble over my words and not cut myself and things of that nature. So this one is from Engineered Floors, which is also Dreamweaver carpet. So here you see Dreamweaver by Engineered Floors. So here we have Gold Standard 1, 2, and 3 in the pure color line. So what we've got here, I'll fluff these up a little bit. And because of that, I can tell that this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. So I think in other videos we've talked about this a little bit, but basically they're doing a good, better, best. And when they do a good, better, best with carpet, the good is actually good. It's not garbage. Like some things, good is garbage, if we're being completely honest. But basically what you have is the faceway gets thicker and you have all the same colors. So this particular line, I would say the coloring is a little bit unique. It's a little bit different than what they've been doing lately. So that's nice to have some new colors. Definitely have some darker flecks in these, but all very neutral. This one looks like we're mixing some warmer tones with cooler tones, but that's actually nice with furniture and different things because well, an example, in my personal house, I bought a brown couch. I have an upstairs and a downstairs, and I got some carpet that had both tones in it. So the brown couch looks good upstairs, and the gray couch looks good downstairs, and have the same carpet in both spots. But another nice thing about a good, better, best is like if you have a basement or something, you want to save some money, you can put the nicest carpet maybe in your master bedroom, your family room, great room, things like that. And then you could put the less expensive one down your basement to save some money. But you can have the exact same color, which is nice. So visually it looks the same. Yeah, this looks like a nice piece of carpet. It is soft. No, we still haven't mastered that ability to have you feel it at home. But this one actually has something that's kind of nice too. So periodically after a new install of carpet, you'll get these right here. And all you do with them, don't pull on them. It's kind of like when you get a little snag on your shirt. I don't have any scissors handy, so we're going to pretend these are scissors, but all you do is just cut it right there at the base, and then that's all you have to do. So if you ever see these, don't panic, just trim them off because, or pull them. But they happen. It's just part of carpet. Periodically, you'll get a tuft that'll come up. You can just trim that too. So anyway, Gold Standard 1, 2, and 3. Looks like that's the latest one from Dreamweaver. And I personally like the colors. I think they're nice and neutral, and we should do well with this piece. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our office here at Meridian, Idaho. And thanks for watching.